In this lesson I will show you what means invalid stop loss or take profit when you try to open new trades inside MT4 or MT5. The difference between MT4 and MT5 is only this one is MT4 and the other one is MT5. The logic and also the opening order or the error invalid stop loss or take profit is the same inside MT4 and MT5. If you experience this issue in an inside trading platform, there are two reasons why this is happening. So I will start with the examples. It will be much easier to understand when I show you what means when you get this error. I will use GBP Canadian dollar currency pair for this example because it has a little bit wide spread, which you can see here. This is the ask line and this is the bid line. So the difference between bid and ask line is currently just 253, 223. Okay, this is around 2 to 3 pips. Okay, so let me show you. First of all, you need to start opening order. Click the new order button and the new window will appear. Inside this new window you can open market execution or pending order. In this example, I will take market execution, which means I want to open new order at the current price, which I can see here inside the trading platform. Next step is to define will you sell or buy by the market. This means if I click the buy market, it means I am expecting the price will continue to move up, which will make me money. If it moves down, I will lose money. So if I want to protect my account, if the currency pair starts to fall down in price, I need to put stop loss. So this stop loss means exit from this trade so I do not lose more money than I have predicted. So in my case, before I click the buy market, I can set stop loss and take profit. Stop loss is the level I define where the trade will exit if the trade goes against me. So in my case, if I'm going to click the buy market button, I'm expect the price will move up. So the stop loss should be placed below, which means if I open order at this price here, then it means if the price goes down, I will lose money. So I need to put stop loss to protect my account from losing more money than I have predicted. So the stop loss should be below these two prices, especially below this bid price, which is 1.5623. So anything below this should be placed here inside stop loss. So if I put 1.56, for example, 10, which is okay, this 15. This is something 17. 5617, it is around here. So the stop loss will be placed here. If I want to put take profit, the take profit should be above, because when the price goes up, this means I will make money. So I need to put some level where I'm expecting to exit this trade with a profit. So in my example, the take profit should be placed above if I'm going to open the buy button. So in my case, the take profit will be above here, so I need to put something above this ask price, which is, for example, 5630. So when I click the buy market, I will open a new order. You can see it here. Now you can see that the take profit is above and the stop loss is below. But, for example, let's start again. I will open buy order again, but I will make a mistake. For example, I will put stop loss above and the take profit below, which means this is invalid because the stop loss cannot be above where I'm expecting to take the profit. It should be below the price to stop the loss. So for example, if I put here stop loss 5630 and the take profit I put here 5617, and if I click buy market, I will get an error. It is invalid stop loss or take profit. This means that I am putting the stop loss and take profit at the wrong levels. I cannot put stop loss above because I'm expecting the price will move up. So if for example, if I leave the stop loss like it is right now and put the take profit at the same level where it is the stop loss, because I'm expecting the take profit to reach this level, and I click the button, it will get an error again, the same, invalid stop loss or take profit, because the stop loss cannot be above. The take profit can be and should be above. So to fix this error, I need to put 5617 stop loss below the current price. So if I click the buy market, I will open new order. The take profit is here and the stop loss is here. So this means, in this case, when I'm opening new order with the buy button, but if I want to sell by the market, which means I'm expecting the price will continue to fall down, then I will make money. If the price goes up, this will mean I will lose money. So to protect my account, I need to put stop loss above the current price, because if the price goes against me, I need to prevent my loss and minimize the risk on this trade. This means that the stop loss should be placed above, which means I will put at 1.5630, and the take profit should be below, because I am selling on the market, which means I'm expecting the price will reach below, and when it reaches this level, for example 5617, then the trade will close with a profit. So if I click the sell by market, I will open new order. There'll be no problems, because the take profit is below, because I am expecting the price will continue to move down and I will make money. But if it reverses back up, I will lose money, but with the stop loss I will close this order with some loss, which is acceptable for me. So in this case, you need to pay attention. When you are opening sell or buy market, you need to understand what you are doing. With the buy button, you are expecting the price will move up. If it goes against you, it means going down, you will lose money. Stop loss means protect your account from the loss, which is not acceptable for you, which means if you put stop loss below, the trade will close. So pay attention to the logic. When you buy the price, you are expecting the price go up, then the stop loss should be below and the take profit should be above the current price, here, bid and ask price. If you are selling the market, that means you are expecting the price will move down and you are predicting the price will reach a lower level, which means take profit should be below the current market price, and if it goes against you, you will lose money, so the stop loss should be placed above the current price. Second problem is when you place your stop loss or take profit close to the bid and ask price. For example, I'm expecting now the price will continue to move down, so I'm selling on the market with the sell button. So my stop loss should be placed above the current market price. But if you make a problem for the trading platform, and that means if you put stop loss between the bid and ask price, for example, currently is 5621, and the take profit, for example, 5617, and when I click sell by market button, I will get invalid stop loss, because I have put stop loss in between bid and ask price 5621, which is not correct, because my stop loss should be placed above the current market price, above the bid and ask price. The same way goes for the take profit. I cannot put take profit in between. I should put take profit in case when I'm selling on the market should be placed below the market price. So you should avoid placing your stop loss or take profit too close to the bid and ask price. Leave at least 1 or 2 pips. That depends on the broker you are using. Some brokers allows you to put stop loss and take profit very close to the bid and ask price, but those brokers are the ones who have very low spread, which means below 1 pip. So if you experience this problem, you should pay attention what you are doing. If you are selling the market, that means you are expecting the price will move down, stop loss should be placed above and the take profit should be placed below, but have in mind to leave enough space for the price to move, which means at least 2 or 3 or 5 pips away from the current market bid and ask price. So if you want to start trading, You have a link below this video in the description where you can download MT4 trading platform for free without a broker, so you can start trading without any broker and it's free completely. You can open demo account and start trading right now. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading!